In this video lecture, we'll be looking at while loop. As a Java developer, there's a time you want to run code several times, and you will not be doing this one by one. You can be creating these one by one. You need the ability of a loop to be able to do this. So we have too many loops, and as a Java developer, you are free to use any loop system that you want to use. We have while loop, we have for loop, we have do while loop, and we have loop enhance, and so on. While loop is most basic loop in Java. It has one control condition and executes as long the condition is true. So once you made a condition, it will go ahead and execute everything. The condition of the loop is tested before the body of the loop is executed. Hence, it is called an entry control loop. You don't need to freak out or UX, Y, or what is really going on. Let's go ahead and check out an example and see how a while loop works. Just before us, we have created a variable x and we assign the value of x to be 15. Now, we are testing a condition in a case where x is less than 30 or any number of a choice. Go ahead and print out the value of x plus x. So the value of x is a string that will always be displayed, and the x is the value of the data type int x. So we'll go ahead and say x increments. What this means is that x will continue to move from 15 to 16, 16 to 17, 17 to 18, and so on until it gets to 30, and is not going to be equal to 30 because x is less than 30. Therefore, x should stop at 29. As a beginner who don't know anything in Java programming yet, you might go ahead and call out system.out.println1 AR15, system.out.println 16, 17, 18, 19. While you are doing this, you're going to have a very big bunch of code, and you're consuming too many memory in programming. Therefore, a loop can be able to do this for you. Let's go ahead, compile this, and see it work out. Go ahead and move your mouse and compile this. You can see that I have value of x 15, value of x 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 to 29. If you want a condition where this is going to stop at exactly the same point, either 30 or number that you put there, you can go ahead and say x is less than or equal to. If you go ahead and compile this again, you can see that x didn't stop at 29 this time, but it stopped at 30. I hope this is really very interesting and you're getting it. You can go ahead and reduce number. It can start from x is equal to 0. Let's go ahead and remove this and say x is equal to 0. Started from 0 and x equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. So go ahead and hit on compile. You can see 0 to 5. So this is all about while loop. This continues to happen without you doing it by yourself. So I believe that you've understood how and the reason why we are using loop system in Java programming. We're still going to learn more on loop. We're still going to have other loops. We have other loops that you're going to look at. So I believe you really understood this, and it is very simple and straightforward. So put down this code on your system and go ahead and try it out. I believe that you're going to enjoy it. So this is one about loop system, and if you have any question, please use the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.